In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install material packs in Cinema 4D. If you've just downloaded a material pack and you're wondering how to make it show up in the asset browser, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through two simple approaches: adding the folder through Preferences and dragging the pack straight into the asset browser. Both methods end up in the same place: quick access to your materials across projects. First, make sure your download is extracted. Most packs arrive as a compressed zip or similar archive. Extract it so you have a regular folder on your drive. Inside that folder, you'll typically find material files along with textures and previews. Keep everything together, don't split textures from the materials, so Cinema 4D can resolve paths without missing links. Method 1 uses Preferences. With Cinema 4D open, go to Edit, then Preferences, and head to the Assets section. Click Add Folder and point it to the top-level folder of your material pack. Choosing the top-level folder is important. It lets Cinema 4D index all subfolders and organize assets properly. Confirm your selection and give Cinema 4D a moment to scan. Depending on the size of the pack, indexing can take a little time. Once that's done, your materials will appear in the asset browser, ready to drag onto objects or into your scenes. Method 2 is even faster. With the asset browser open, locate your extracted material pack folder in your File Explorer. Then drag and drop that folder directly into the asset browser's content area. Cinema 4D will register the assets and begin indexing them automatically. Again, larger packs may take a moment to populate. When it's finished, you'll see the materials listed and searchable by name or tags, just like any other assets. A few helpful tips to keep things smooth. Keep the material pack folder in a stable location on your drive. If you move or rename it later, Cinema 4D may lose track of those assets and you'll need to add the folder again. It also helps to use clear folder names so you can quickly distinguish packs in the asset browser. If your pack includes textures, ensure they remain in their original relative paths so materials load correctly. That's all there is to it. Extract the download, then either add the folder through Edit, Preferences, Assets, and Add Folder, or simply drag the folder into the asset browser. Once indexed, your materials are ready to use in any scene. Happy creating!